So, hello everyone. Today I have a new project that we call hybrid system with a Siphon system and free energy water pump. So free energy water pump just take water from the deep place to the high place, sucked by this tapped by the pressure of the main pump. But this project Siphon system, they take the water from the high place to the low place. They will call Siphon system. Then this project that I set up already, we can call hybrid system with between free energy water pump and Siphon system. And I set up already with this one with one tech here and drum. But don't forget, this kind of drum you have to use the metal drum because it's very solid, not easy to deform. Okay, this one. Then now let's go to see with me. Okay. Yeah. I set up, but you can see the end of our pipe. I just shoot with the 34mm side. And this one check for closing and opening. During we need water or we don't need some water more. So right now, okay, I start to open it. How does it work? Right? It's strong or not? But the first time, if I open the wire check, it will strong because it will strong. But if we leave around 20 minutes later, it will weaken. We start to open it, this one, okay, and the last 10 ounce in the water, and I don't need to close like this, okay, and okay, thank you so much dear to pay the value, spend the value time to see my explanation, my review today. See you next video. Okay.